Video I will tell you that how to disable audio video call on Messenger. So first of all, you need to open up the Messenger application, and if you scroll down here, so let's suppose that if you actually wanted to like block the calls from a specific person, so how do you do this? You will open up this chat, tap on their name like this one here, and here you can see this mute option. So if you mute this person here, what this will do is that if this person like call you, your phone will not ring for their messages or their calls. Okay, you have actually muted their messages and calls. Okay, so but what if you actually wanted to like disable the calls for all of the chats? So you need to actually disable the access to your camera and microphone to Messenger. So open up settings, apps and notifications, and then from here open up the Messenger, open up permissions, and we have these allowed permissions to Messenger. So open up camera, deny, open up microphone and deny. Now you have successfully disabled audio video call on Messenger. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.